Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos. Video number 67, Standard 8, Comparing Quantities, Section C, Achiever, Tough. Let's start. The difference between the CI, means compound interest, and SI on a certain sum of money at 10% per annum for 2 years is rupees 500. Find the sum when the interest is compounded annually. See here, you have to focus on two, 3 points over here. One is compounded annually. If it is compounded annually, then R and N will remain as they are. If it would have been half yearly, then R would have been divided by 2, N would have been multiplied by 2. Right? So annually means R and N remain as they are. Okay. Next, what is given? Difference between CI and SI. It means you have to find first compound interest, then simple interest, and then the difference. Okay. So let's start one by one. Let the principal be P. Okay. SI for 2 years equals to PNR upon 100. P into N is 2 into R is 10 upon 100. So solve this, you will get 0.2P. Right? Now SI is, you got SI. Now compound interest. For compound interest, the formula is A equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Right? So that is, you get A by that, not compound interest. Got me? So P into R you know 10, N you know 2. So 100 plus 10, 110 upon 100. So it becomes 1.1, right? 1.1 square means 11 square. 11 is 121. Adjust the point. It becomes 1.21p. Now what is this? 1.21p. This is A amount, not CI. Okay. Now you have to find CI. How to find CI? CI equals to A minus P, means amount minus principal. So 1.21p minus P, that is 0.21p, right? So now you have got CI. Also you have got SI. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.